Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English podcast. I'm Mark.
And I'm James.
Today, Mark, I'm starving. I could eat a cow. Don't say that, James. The vegetarians are already leaving the podcast.
Okay, I'll eat maybe just a pizza the size of a cow.
That's better. But actually, being hungry is a good thing today, because our topic is going to a restaurant in English.
Perfect. And for English learners, this is super useful. You know, many people feel nervous when ordering food in English.
Exactly, but we'll make it easy and a little funny so everyone can remember the phrases.
So imagine, I walk into the restaurant, my stomach is talking louder than me.
What does your stomach say? It says, "Feed me now, James." Okay. Hungry James walks in. What do you say first? I smile at the host and say, "Hello, a table for two, please."
Perfect.
If you are alone, you can say, "A table for one, please."
Right. And if you are really popular,
"A table for 10, please." Careful, that's expensive. So, you sit down. What's the first thing you want? Food. Immediately. No. First, you need the menu. Ah, right. Very important. I can say, "Can I have the menu, please?" Yes. Always remember the magic words, please and thank you. They are like salt and pepper. Without them, the meal feels wrong. Okay, I open the menu. Oh, wow. Starters, main courses, desserts, drinks. Starters are small foods, like soup, salad, or maybe some bread with cheese. I love soup. Tomato soup is like a hug in a bowl. That's poetic. Write that down, James. I'll save it for my Instagram caption. Now, the waiter comes and asks, "Are you ready to order?" And if I am ready, I say, "Yes, I am. I would like the tomato soup to start, please." Perfect. I would like or I'll have are very polite ways to order. Not just, "Give me soup." No, don't do that. That's how you make the waiter disappear forever. Okay, so after my soup, for the main course, I'll have a cheeseburger, extra cheese. And I'll have pasta, because I don't want to fall asleep after the meal. Cheeseburger equals nap time. Exactly. And of course, we need drinks. Yes, you can say, "I would like a glass of water, please." Or, "I'll have a soda, please." But don't forget to be specific. Imagine saying just water, and the waiter brings you one single drop. It's always say a glass of water. Now we are eating. The waiter asks, "Is everything okay?" And we answer, "Yes, it's delicious." Or, "Yes, everything is great. Thank you." But if it's not okay, then you can say, "Excuse me, the soup is cold. Could you please warm it up?" Or, "Excuse me, I ordered a burger, but you gave me a salad. I don't want to be healthy today." That's a polite way to say you don't like surprises. If I want more water, I can say, "Excuse me, can I have some more water, please?" Yes. Or, "Can I have another soda, please?" Or, if I'm really hungry, I can say, "Can I have another burger, please?" Careful, James, your wallet is crying now. After the main course, it's dessert time, my favorite moment. The waiter asks, "Would you like to see the dessert menu?" And of course we say, "Yes, please." I'll have chocolate cake. And I'll have ice cream, vanilla, because I'm a simple man. Simple but sweet. Finally, we finish eating. Now it's time to pay. Ah, yes, the painful part. You say, Excuse me, can I have the bill, please? Or in American English, can I have the check, please?
And if you don't want to pay, you run.
No, don't teach that. That's not English, that's crime.
Okay, always pay, my friends. After paying, you can smile and say, "Thank you. Goodbye." A smile is free, and it makes everyone's day better. Exactly. And remember, English in a restaurant is not complicated. Just use short, polite sentences. Please, thank you, and a smile. That's the secret recipe. Hello, welcome to our restaurant. Hello, a table for two, please? Of course. This way, please. Here is your table. Thank you. Can I have the menu, please? Certainly. Here you are. Are you ready to order? Yes, I am. I would like the tomato soup to start, and then I'll have the cheeseburger, please. Excellent choice. Anything to drink? Yes, I'll have a soda, please. Perfect. One soup, one cheeseburger, and one soda. Enjoy your meal. Thank you.
So, that's it for today's episode.
I'm full just from talking.
Me too. And I hope all our listeners are full of English phrases now. Remember, practice is the best dessert. Well said, James. Thank you all for listening and see you next time. Goodbye, everyone. And don't forget to smile when you order.